Welcome friends, today we are going to see machine learning subjects answer key for VTU 6 students. See, this is the question paper. I am referring textbook mentioned in the textbook in our syllabus copy. So just go through that textbook and these are answers for the questions. First question A, here is the definition. Challenges of machine learning. Then list and explain the visual data visualization. See here, these are the types. You need to write the types and each example for each points. This is the numerical. Question number 1C. Question number 2A, machine learning diagram and its points. Then data preprocessing, missing data analysis. The numerical 5-point summary. This is the diagram and solution. Question number 3A, PCA. This is purely from the model question paper. Candidate elimination algorithm. So here is the solution. If possible, you can draw this solution diagram also. Singular value decomposition, question number 4A. Question number 4B. The similar example is not present in our textbook, so this is similar to that example. Solution is the same, just the values are different. With reference you can solve that. K nearest. See from this table, 6th instance and 8th instance. 6th and 8th instance are not given in our question paper. Then types of regression. See types of regression methods. Limitations. Then structure of the design tree. You can write the theory diagram. Then building of the tree for the algorithm or the procedure to construct. Then nearest centroid. Okay, nearest centroid. See here is the solution for nearest centroid classifier. Next, difference between is not properly given in our textbook, so for that solution I will be providing at the last from the ChatGPT. 6B, advantages, disadvantages. See advantages, disadvantages, and here is the general algorithm for decision tree. Next, Naives bias classifier. This problem is not given in our textbook, but you can refer to the algorithm and you can solve it with the reference of the textbook's problem. Explain the simple model of the artificial neuron. See here is the simple model of the artificial neuron. You need to draw this diagram and you need to write the explanation. Then this artificial neural network structure, this diagram and theory about it. Then different activation functions. There are total 9 different activation functions. You can write these first 2 lines of the theorem, Bayes theorem, then these 3 points, and then this sorry, this question number 8th A. Here is the solution. You can write these principal kinds of probabilities, these three probabilities, then these two, HMAP and HML. Then go for the different activation functions. Here are the total 9 different activation functions. You need to write these all 9 with formula and explanation. Then 5th module, numerical. See, here is the solution for it. This is also from our model question paper. Various components of reinforcement learning. See, this diagram is compulsory, and then you can explain them in detail. This 10th A question is not properly given from our textbook, but concepts are based from our textbook. This solution I will be giving at the last from the ChatGPT. Then explain the mean shift clustering algorithm. This is the mean shift clustering algorithm. There are 5 steps. Advantages, disadvantages, if possible you can write, or else you can leave it. Then list and explain the characteristics. See, characteristics, challenges and applications of reinforcement learning. See the questions which we left. 10th A, numerical problem, solution from the ChatGPT. Then question number 6th B, difference between. This also from the ChatGPT solution. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for further answer keys.